This is John Gilbert at Security First Asset Management, and I just want to start off by saying that we are so looking forward to seeing all of our clients this week at our client appreciation event that is going to be happening on January 31st. Now, I just want to make a couple of announcements about that event, just so people had an idea of what's going to be going on. So the first is that event is going to be this upcoming Saturday, January 31st at 11:30. Now that's going to be at the Macon Marriott City Center. For those that attended the client appreciation event last year, so it is in the Coliseum complex, but it's specifically on the Marriott side. So you will not go through the same doors that you did last year. If you just type in the address that is seen on the flyer and put that into the GPS, it should take you to exactly the right place. So that's something to be aware of. Now, as far as that event goes, it is a 1960s Flower Child theme, but anyone that wants to attend, you do not have to dress up if you don't want to. I know that I'll certainly be dressed up and looking a fool, and many other people plan on dressing up, but you yourself do not have to dress up. Now at that event, we are going to have food, we're going to have music, we're going to have a photo booth, so we look forward to seeing all of those that have signed up to come to that event. Alrighty. Now, as far as a weekly market update goes, so last week in markets, this is for the period covering January 20th to January 23rd, because markets were not open on Monday, which was January 19th, Martin Luther King Jr. Day. So it was a shorter week as far as markets went. Now, before markets opened on Tuesday, there had been a good bit going on behind the background that people were worried about that it was going to have a negative effect upon markets, and that was the comments that President Trump made around Greenland and his intent to purchase Greenland and his intent to impose tariffs on European nations that oppose the U.S. purchasing or taking control of Greenland. The major market indexes on Tuesday when markets opened, they dropped. They took a big hit. They all dropped significantly. Now, thankfully, later in the week, on Wednesday, Trump reversed his course and appeared to soften his stance on Greenland, and that caused the major market indexes to rebound to some extent. Now, the market indexes still finished the week down a little bit lower than what they had ended the previous week at, but not nearly as much as that significant drop that they experienced when markets opened on Tuesday. So on the week, the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 0.5%, the S&P 500 fell about 0.4%, and the NASDAQ fell about 0.1%. Now, something to be on the lookout for in markets for this upcoming week is the Federal Reserve's open market committee meeting that is going to be happening on January 27th to 28th. Now, I'll go ahead and stop it there, but once again, we look forward to seeing all of our clients that have signed up for our client appreciation event this weekend. If you have any questions about that event and the address of the venue or anything like that, please just let us know and we will be happy to help you out and assist you with that. Thank y'all so much and have a blessed week.